All right, let's get some axes just drawn roughly. When we're doing a sketch, we're only roughly plotting, but you can still get your axes nice and neat. So the first one is y equals 2 over x, and this is a classic curve that you should know what it looks like. So it comes down like so. It doesn't actually, you know, I don't like that. I've made it go up slightly. It should tend towards the axes. We say that there are asymptotes. So I'm happy with that now. But don't forget there's one on the negative as well, and it's down here. Whoops, I'm not happy with that. So it should always, that's better. Hard doing it with the pen on the screen. That's a good, I've got the shape, I've got it, so it's not doing things like this. Um, that's a good graph of y equals 2 over x. The second one is a cubic, and the first thing we need to do is factorize it. So we can take out an x to make it x bracket x squared minus 6x plus 9, and then factorize the quadratic inside. This is x minus 3 all squared. What that means is we've got a root of 0 and of 3, but this one is a double root, and that's going to be really important for our sketch. So we've got 0 and 3. I now know that it's a positive cubic, so it's going to look a bit like this. So it's going to come up, it's going to come back down. It's not going to cross the axis here, it's going to touch the axis and then come back up. So that's what the repeated root bit does to it. That's all we need to do for these 5 marks. You could potentially find the turning point, but that's actually not the question. Just says sketch it. It doesn't. If it said sketch it and demonstrate the turning points, you'd need to. But you do get the 5 marks for the factorization, realizing it's a double root, and getting the shape right and the intercepts correct.